Are learning disability and learning difficulty the same thing? Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about something that might be confusing for many people. The difference between learning disability and learning difficulty. Are they the same thing or not? And do they have anything to do with developmental disorders, or mental health? Let's find out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. First of all, it's important to note that the terms, learning disability, and learning difficulty, might mean different things depending on where you live. In the UK, for example, a learning disability refers to a reduced or impaired ability to learn and understand new information and function independently. This is what's known as an intellectual disability in the US. On the other hand, a learning difficulty in the UK refers to problems with learning particular skills, usually when in school. This is what's known as a learning disability in the US. So, if you're searching for information on this topic, be aware of where it's coming from. Now, let's talk about learning disability. People with a learning disability might have problems with memory and processing information. They might take longer to understand, respond, or act upon a request, and their communication skills might also be affected. It's possible to assess if someone has a learning disability with IQ tests, and a score below 70 will usually mean a learning disability. However, it's not that straightforward, and a person, usually a psychologist, assessing wouldn't rely on a single test only. There might be several different causes of having a learning disability, such as genetic conditions, problems during pregnancy, premature birth, or early childhood problems. It's also important to note that learning disabilities do not usually exist on their own and are often comorbid, coexist with other conditions such as physical health issues, genetic conditions, mental health problems, or developmental disorders. Now, let's move on to learning difficulty. This is when a child has to face tasks like reading, writing, planning, and organizing. Children, and adults, with learning difficulties might have a high IQ despite their problems in school. Dyslexia is one of the most common learning difficulties, and it's characterized by problems with reading, spelling, and writing. To sum up, learning disability and learning difficulty are not the same thing. Learning disability refers to a reduced or impaired ability to learn and understand new information and function independently, while learning difficulty refers to problems with learning particular skills, usually when in school. It's important to be aware of where the information is coming from and to seek professional help if you suspect that you or someone you know might have a learning disability or learning difficulty. If you'd like to find out more, visit our website, allspecialneedsnow.com. In our blog section, you can find answers and advice on many topics, including autism, ADHD, learning difficulties or sensory processing. Or check out our social media. All the links will be down below in the description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Visit our website, allspecialneedsnow.com.